Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota CHR maintenance light. Start by getting into your Toyota CHR. Turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. You'll want to make sure the odometer reading is visible on your multi-information display. If it's not, simply press the DISP button a few times until the odometer is clearly shown. This is the crucial first step to successfully resetting your maintenance light. Now, turn your ignition completely off. With the ignition off, press and hold the DISP button. While still holding it down, turn the ignition back to the on position. Keep holding the DISP button for at least 5 seconds. You'll notice a series of dashes appearing on the display, indicating you're entering the reset mode. As you continue to hold the DISP button, you'll see the dashes disappear and then reappear as zeros. This signifies that the reset is complete. Once you see those zeros, you can release the DISP button. Your maintenance required light should now be off, successfully resetting the oil change reminder for your Toyota CHR. To verify the reset, go ahead and start your engine. The maintenance light should no longer be illuminated. If, for any reason, the light remains on, simply repeat these steps carefully from the beginning. This method is generally effective for most Toyota CHR models. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for any specific model variations or additional information.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.